footprint defines the physical size, pad layout, and connection details of a component. Let's see how to assign footprints to symbols in KiCad. In KiCad, you can assign footprints directly from the schematic editor. Go to Tools and click on Assign Footprints. The Footprint Assignment window lists all your schematic components in the center. On the left, you can browse through available footprint libraries. On the right, you'll see all footprints within the selected library. Let's assign a footprint for C1, which is a capacitor. Select C1 from the component list. From the left, choose capacitor_SMD library. On the right, select C_1206_3216 metric. This corresponds to a 1206 package. And click OK. To find the correct footprint size, refer to your BOM or the manufacturer's datasheet. For example, if your DigiKey part number lists the package as 1206 or 3216 metric, choose the same size footprint in KiCad. You can also assign a footprint manually by double-clicking any component in the schematic. In the Symbol Properties window, go to the Footprint field and click the Browse icon. Now search and select your desired footprint. You can preview the footprint before assigning. Click the footprint name, and a 3D preview appears on the right. Once verified, double-click on it, then OK. Make sure every component in your schematic has a valid footprint assigned. Missing footprints will cause an error during PCB layout or netlist generation. Download our KiCad design guide to learn more. Follow us for more PCB content.